I don't know, what do you guys think? Do I look okay in it, or do I look like I'm trying to smuggle candy into the theater? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. It's about 10:30 p.m. here as I'm filming, and I have an unacceptable, almost inappropriate amount of glitter on my face for 10:30 on a Wednesday night. Oh, it itches. Today we're going to be getting into another advent calendar. This is the month of December, so I figured that I would do several, probably too many advent calendar unboxings on my channel. I got a little bit too click happy on Cyber Monday and might have made some mistakes. So I really hope you guys don't get tired of the advent calendars because I spent way too much money on some of them. So even if you don't like these videos, I'm gonna have to post it anyway, just for the sheer principle of the thing. I actually received this box in the mail like a couple of weeks ago. The company sent it to me, which was very nice of them. I also got a little note with it. It says, "Hello! This box is all about the experience. Every day you can pop open a circle to discover a mystery holiday item. It's fun, exciting, and something totally different than a normal holiday gift. Your viewers can take $30 off the box by using code Alexandria30 at our website." That's nice. Thank you and enjoy. Bad Habit Boutique. So this is what the box looks like right here. It is really cute. So we have like a little kind of whack-a-mole situation going on here where these individual pieces of cardboard actually like pop out and you can reach in and grab your prize, which I think is kind of cool. However, it's called the 12 Days of Bad Habit, and I did no research before I decided to do this unboxing. They say it's fun, exciting, and something totally different. So if I reach my hand in here and the very first thing I pull out is something fun, exciting, and totally different, then you might never see this video. I wonder if there's a way I could get the price of this box without actually like ruining any of the surprises inside. Literally without clicking anything, the first Google search says that this box, well, it ships December 16th, and it's $139. Okay, with that in mind, let me quickly get a sip of this extra sleepy time tea. Calm me down a little bit. All right, so day number one, let's punch it out. Ooh, soft. Oh, cute. Okay, so the brand name for this hat is, now that I've reread it a couple times, Tickled Pink, but I'm just curious what that looks like to you all because it didn't look like that to me the first time I read it. Anyway, this is a pretty cute little hat. It's like checkered print with one of these adorable little baubles on it. I don't typically wear this style of hat just because I think it makes my head look even larger than it already is. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do I look okay in it, or do I look like I'm trying to smuggle candy into the theater? It's pretty cute, very soft, very fluffy. There's all sorts of like little fluffs coming off of it right now. But I think that's a pretty decent start to the box. Definitely on theme for winter. Okay, moving on to door number two. Oh, this is hard. It also doesn't fit through the hole. What do you do if it doesn't fit through the actual hole? I don't want to ruin all the surprises by opening up like the whole box itself. I know what you do. I'm just gonna cut some relief slits. There we go. Okay, so this is actually pretty heavy and it has really cute packaging. So this is the beautiful red cherry fragrance bath salts. Oh, it comes in pretty cute packaging. Everything looks very like comic book pop art-esque. Wow, that is a lot of cherry fragrance. I actually really like it. That smells pretty good. It smells like candy. Oh my gosh, I already kind of accidentally pre-punched number 5. So it is just a bag of bath salts, but I do think it would make your bath smell absolutely amazing. It just kind of smells like candy. And a candy bath is something that I wouldn't protest. Okie dokie, let's move on to door number 3. I gotta stop doing that. That kind of hurts my knuckles. Oh, I might be excited about this one. Yes! Leggings! You can just about never go wrong with a legging for me. Like, I don't care what's on it. If it's soft and comfortable, I'm going to wear it. People might try to stop me, but they can't. These are very soft. They feel almost kind of like that buttery legging texture. I've never owned a pair of LuLaRoe leggings before. I've actually never owned anything from LuLaRoe, but I imagine they would feel something like this, just very like buttery and soft. I have, however, spent many hours of my life watching anti-MLM LuLaRoe videos. Not gonna lie, it's kind of my guilty pleasure. I could spend all day watching anti-MLM videos on YouTube. Fascinating stuff. These are from the brand J Village. They say that they're one size, which that's not a real thing that exists. It's just not. They do have some stretch to them, but that's about as far as they go. They really do remind me a lot of the leggings that I got on sale last year from Walmart. That's not trying to be like rude to these leggings or anything. I'm sure they're a nice quality. It's just they kind of have the same pattern and feel to them. I think I got those for about $3 a piece and I bought way too many of them. Okay, moving on to door number 4. Ooh, it's something else that's soft? Oh, this feels very cozy, whatever it is. Make their holes a little bigger. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. This is the kind of comfort level I'm trying to achieve this holiday season. These are socks, and they're the thickest, most impressive socks I've ever seen. They're very, very thick. They're lined inside with like this fluffy stuff, which just seems absolutely amazing. They have little grippies on the bottom so you don't slip. I like the pattern of them. I think they're really cute, so this is definitely nice. Okay, I accidentally pre-punched door number 5 a little bit. Oh, it's something else that's soft. I'm liking the theme of this calendar. Oh, we have a very nice scarf. I do like this scarf. It is very plain, but I feel like it goes with a lot of people's styles. It does say that it's cashmere, sky cashmere. It is 100% wool. It is made in China, but it is like a nice length, nice and long. You could definitely wrap it around a couple times. It's also pretty wide. Number 6 is next door. Not something soft. Light bulb. Okay, I'm gonna go for the light bulb here first. That is a pretty cute way to like show off a beauty blender for Christmas. So this is, oh, the Cream Shop. I feel like I've heard of them before. A precision makeup blender, and it just looks like a little beauty blender type thing with like a flat edge for flat application. And then also in that same little door we got this natural coconut oil lip treatment, which is supposed to hydrate and restore, from Italia Deluxe. It's a very cute looking little tube. It's got some coconuts all around. Okay, next up here we have door number 7. Ooh, something else soft. These socks. Oh, okay. So the next thing we have here are 2 little boot cuffs. I'm pretty sure these are boot cuffs. I don't think they're meant to go around your wrists. There are no tags or anything on them, so I'm not sure like what brand they're from. But on the front, it might be kind of hard to see with my camera and this very black background, but there's like a knitted bow here on the front, and then the rest of it's just kind of like a loose knit. I think these are boot cuffs. Are these boot cuffs? Just wear them like armbands. These are cute. It's just kind of interesting that there's no like branding on them. Wouldn't that be nice if they like knitted them themselves and put them in the box? That would be so sweet. I don't think that's what's happening here, but it would be really cute. Okie dokie. Next up we have number 8. Number 8. Ooh, okay. What is that? Oh, okay, so we have a little bracelet here, and it says it's also a greeting card. It says, never apologize for being a strong woman. And then there's a little gold piece that says fierce on it. So it's a very, very thin, like little kind of cord band, and then just a gold piece. So that's kind of cute. I don't wear too many bracelets, so I'll probably pass this along to somebody else. But it has a nice message behind it. Moving right along to door number 9. I feel like I've totally destroyed whatever this is. Okay, so door number 9 has 2 different items in it. So we have a hydrating facial mask, which is, it looks like Rudolph. I could only assume that that would look absolutely horrifying actually on your face. That, my friends, is what nightmares are made out of. And then, so you don't have to look at the nightmarish Rudolph mask, it comes with a actual sleeping mask with 2 little like glittery eyes on it. Oh my gosh, our eyes match! Wait, I just got really excited. Hold on. Can you tell a difference? I'm actually an eye mask sleeping model, if you guys didn't know. The whole face won't do, but maybe we could just slap your eyes in a cartoon version on a sleeping mask. Oh, that's a terrible joke. I should be more tired than I am. These 2 tea bags are not working. Oh, it tastes like dirt. Okay, moving on to door number 10. Oh, I'm seeing soft. Okay, so there's a t-shirt in here. I'm just absolutely giddy to see what this says. All right, it says, I just want to drink hot cocoa, bake stuff, and watch Hallmark movies. I agree with almost all of these sentiments. Drink hot cocoa, yes, all day, every day. Bake stuff, yes, all day, every day. Watch Hallmark movies though. That's one that, I feel like you really just have to be like in the mood to watch a Hallmark movie. Like you can't sit down and expect to be like really engaged in the plot, because typically there are only about 3 plot points in a Hallmark film. You know exactly what's gonna happen. So you just kind of have to be in that very like sappy, romantic, the high-powered woman goes to the small town, falls in love with a lumberjack even though her family just absolutely doesn't approve. Every now and then you do get another twist, like you find out she's not their real daughter, you know. Wow, it's a bright color. There have to be at least 42 women in the world, all named Bethany, that own this same exact shirt. Bet you money. I bet you can look that up. But it is kind of cute and I will wear it. Okay, moving on to door number 11. Is that a sock? no, it's a hair tie. Oh, cute little brush. Okay, next up here we have two more items that don't have any branding on them, which I still think is kind of strange. I personally love little brushes like this. I always keep one or two sometimes in my purse. I keep a brush pretty much everywhere I go. My friend says I have like a slight compulsion for like brushing my hair just randomly at any given time, and she might be right. But it really does kind of bother me if I don't have like a brush in reaching distance at all times. And then there's just like a cute little scrunchie in here with some polka dots on it. It kind of has like a rough feel to it, maybe like a linen or something. Alright you guys, we are on to the very last door here to see what door number 12 has to offer. Okay, there's no way that that's actually coming out of that little hole, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the entire thing so I can get it out. Oh, okay, so the very last thing in here is not body paint, even though it looks like it. This is like the largest lip balm I've ever seen. This is the Somerset Toiletry Company lip balm in the flavor and I guess shade Candy Cane. It's just massive. Have you ever seen a lip balm that size before? Caution, in the rare event of an adverse reaction, discontinue use. I would say so. This is pretty cute. This would be like a nice little stocking stuffer for maybe somebody that's a bit younger. But that is the very last thing in this box. I don't know, you guys. What did you all think about this box? There's some fun stuff in here, some very like cozy Christmassy things, which I really enjoyed. I'm a little bit concerned about the price point. It is nice that they're giving like a $30 off coupon, but that would still make it $109. And I don't know if you went out and sourced these types of items on your own, if you would actually spend that much money. I'm definitely not sure about the $139 price point, and I'm still a little bit iffy on the $109 price point. I also don't know if that includes shipping or not. And then you also have to take into account taxes. So for me, I think it's a little bit on the pricey side. I like a lot of the items that came in it, but I think if they drop that price point down a little bit, they'd probably get a lot more sales. I don't know how much like actual cost of goods were to like put into the box and how much they're like profiting from it, but I would definitely say that for me personally, I think it's a little bit expensive. But I would love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions. What do you think about the items inside of the box, the price point of the box, anything that you guys want to talk about? That is all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna like chug this extra sleepy time tea because I'm a little bit wound up, if you haven't been able to tell. Almost don't remember what happened in this unboxing, but I had fun. Anyway, just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!